Welcome to my review of Confluence. If you're looking for a powerful team collaboration platform, you're in the right place. Confluence is designed for creating, organizing, and sharing content within teams. Whether you're managing a large project or collaborating on documents, Confluence makes it easy for your team to stay organized and on the same page. Upon logging into Confluence, the first thing you'll notice is the clean, user-friendly interface. It's divided into spaces, which are like individual project areas where you can organize all your work. Inside each space, you can create pages to document everything from meeting notes to project plans, and even complex documentation. You can format these pages easily using built-in templates and tools, which makes creating professional-looking content quick and simple. One standout feature of Confluence is its integration with other Atlassian tools, like Jira. If you're already using Jira for project management, Confluence seamlessly connects with it, allowing you to create detailed project documentation that directly links to Jira issues and tasks. This creates a cohesive workflow that can save your team a lot of time and effort. Plus, the search function is robust, so you can easily find content, even if you have a lot of pages and spaces. Confluence also supports real-time collaboration, meaning multiple team members can work on the same page simultaneously. This is a huge benefit for remote teams, as it allows everyone to contribute and update documents in real time, making collaboration smooth and efficient. The permission system in Confluence is another powerful feature. You can set granular permissions for who can view, edit, or comment on each page or space, which is perfect for controlling access to sensitive information. Plus, there are plenty of add-ons available to extend Confluence's functionality, from task management to document automation. One thing to note is that Confluence can be a bit overwhelming at first. There are a lot of features and settings to get used to, so it might take a bit of time to become familiar with the interface. However, once you get the hang of it, it's a highly versatile and powerful tool. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check that out after watching. Overall, Confluence is a fantastic tool for teams looking to improve their collaboration, streamline documentation, and keep everything organized in one place. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or creating knowledge bases, Confluence offers all the features you need to keep your team aligned and productive. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best software out there. Thanks for watching.